Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. Loosen the captive screws holding the base cover in place. Using a plastic scribe, pry the base cover from the palm rest assembly, starting at the top edge and working your way around to release it from all sides. Now lift the base cover from the palm rest assembly. Find and unplug the battery cable. Identify the battery and loosen the 5 screws. Lift the battery up and remove the piece of tape. Flip the battery over and disconnect the cables. Remove the piece of tape and unplug the cable to fully disconnect the battery. To reinstall the battery, plug in the cable and reattach the piece of tape. Flip the battery over and reattach the piece of tape. Place the battery back in the system and tighten the 5 screws to secure it. Reconnect the cables. Next, align the base cover with the palm rest assembly and gently place it into position. Tighten all required screws to secure the base cover in place. Connect the AC adapter and press the power button. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.